Rusi mute, you get a mute. Unmute yourself. Mighty God.
Okay. I'm just alive in great. Feeling tigangwana se. Singing the Dunawamo. Beamo. And don't know one and no musi as to abeta. To all one yet to Tigamangano DM na UDA. To Iranenga. I got an editoras. Kuna indwe. Rino Nyaka Togo Tenatua Tavangonya Morigotoa. Durigo Soas Mori. Morala. What happened on the other day in Thomas, in the Kenega, we carrying to when the collector Muroyo young, like to support the other way. We need to support this guy physically, emotionally. Number one, I can and no really to when the comer and no mugusi to have a cast. To a Moliere on each bodyguard, Chico protect. It's very, it's a so sana. Ekero Morara, erida ya itomuna korusi, akogenda, atabu ati nona bantu bari maiga ya bakomo protect. Toko, tuwene de koriente. Egente kamo nani kiamana. Tuwene de koirana, obuanchani. Goja somo gusi. Na kina kanavera, abangu bari batebanga. That time tu algo bekera tu ago togira. Jitingo wake raira kura. Tingo wake ramogere kura zingi njo mundori gawa da machine. Oh no, and this has been costing us a lot. Now we have a very young leader. Nambeyemo to wena to kuchaka kumusupport muna nto musi. Tumubeke motu. And don't see asare. We have leaders. Amandu baraba nene pamu ikaransi. Pamu tebuna da kero karakurusi. ODM na UDA we need to cancel once and for all. To avere to koiruna bantu tabu atia network. Tuna bantu tu buat chukura chinyinga na na to gotera na ndo taben to tagitegen. Mogera tatu anje dino ne ditu kelimo. Mondo liga tu anga forever. So how are we going to speak? We need to have a spokesman. Oli muralo tenene na ndo very accepted in saying Kenyan. So it's us to ver mai gaya. One karare ga ya korumu chango watu kama usibi ya behind kum support. One kabira jini jaranga ki. Onye kabira jinde chiko support more than intungi to bwene to kokot. Ona igo Samuel Okimwa, my brother, thank you again. You kolete obomo. This is what we have to do as Somogusi. And we have to come together. And tunalitura iwekane to the national government na Kenya tomenye taboni. And to Swahili king, we have this problem yomogusi. Oh, see, we pretend to know English more na Kiswahili karoko mera no mondomi. We need to stop that, boy. Karoko no mondomi no ambanere gusi. Na bantu balba minu ba bantu bali balenze ma kumunga kya banta pa kwane pamanye. Just so that we bring this togetherness, we love each other. So we need doing this by loving each other. Remember, unity is one of the best things. And from the community, unity is the best. Together along. Every now and then. And they call Nyanza of which in benefit. We need to decide once and for all. Jaboniga, I'm behind Murara mpaka the last minute. Never kura yana yoke como Kungo Mwakir, I'll vote for him. And we need to support that guy. Wherever coming. And the emotion the way again continuously every side so that we talk Torenga Kito Wiki and Kroyo mo even abbreviate to one Karako and that's to Mayanga Kibantu Kibara favorable to Ramo. Again, the Babera never more liberate. We need to do that as Omusi. Ikina kinda kwane, biamon.
Diamono, tigato